Hi everyone, we are at the Hyatt Place in Port Canaveral. This is a new hotel. It opened maybe about a month ago. I'm going to take you a tour. This room is amazing. So in here we have the bathroom with a huge lighted mirror, a countertop with a sink, storage underneath with all your towels. We have a toilet, beautiful artwork, and a huge walk-in shower with just a little bit of a lip right here. So as we move outside of the bathroom, this one has adjoining rooms. So if you're traveling with someone, we come out, and on this right-hand side, you have a small closet with some hanging space, iron. You have a little coffee maker with coffee, glasses. We have a safe down there. Beautiful sitting area where you can sit at night, relax, reminisce. Coffee table and a little seat. Beautiful king size bed. We have lamps on either side. No plugs and a charger port inside the clock. Then we're going to come around to this side. So this side does not have any plugs that I can see, but you do have a little shelf. But yeah, here's another lamp. So CPAP only on the other side. And then we're going to come around and we have another lamp here. Beautiful. We have our fridge down here in the desk area and a telephone. Huge, huge TV. A nice leather chair. You got your remotes. Oh, here's a charging dock with USB chargers. You have a little seat here with 2 drawers. You can hang up a coat or something up there. More hanging knobs. Hi. And a full-length mirror. Check out your outfit in the morning. Make sure you're looking good. So beautiful light fixtures. So we are on deck 3. So very nice room. So here's the guest laundry. Water and ice is on deck 2, 3, and 5. So as we come in here, you need your key card to get in. We have washers and dryers. So bright and airy in here, it's beautiful. And then over here, you can buy your snuggle and your all. You can get change, folding table, A nice view out the mirror. Oh, I found the pool. Be down there later. So here we have ice and water. So you go through this door and you have an ice and water machine. So that was a tour of the room in the hotel. Thank you for watching. I really enjoyed the pool last night. The water was so warm and amazing. It was great to just sit out there and enjoy some downtime. We ate dinner at the Placery last night. I had the Cobb salad. My husband had the turkey and pesto sandwich. It was great. We enjoyed our time here. We had breakfast this morning before we're heading over to the ship. Breakfast was okay. Things are kind of overcooked, but they did have a nice selection and they did have some gluten-free items. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. See you soon. Bye.